Hello, Crafty friends. It's Courtney Brickner with the Crafty Brick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am very excited that you are here with me today. I want to show you how you can customize items without having to actually print it out yourself or even weed anything. So I'm talking about DecoPress patches. So today I am going to be making a hat with this circle patch. This is the headwear. And I'm also going to be customizing a jacket with this patch here. It's cut out. This is the apparel patch. So I got these patches from Heat Transfer Warehouse. You can get them, they come with the leather, they come in suede, you can get the headwear, you can get apparel. The difference between them is just how they adhere to the materials that you're working with. But I want to show you how you order them from Heat Transfer Warehouse, how easy it is to upload your designs, place the order, and then get them. And then we're going to make a hat as well as a jacket. So I hope you're here for it. I'm excited to share with you how it all works. Just to throw it out there before I even start, you might see me in a different outfit because I had to film this in two parts because I thought that I had a certain thing when I started filming and I didn't. So I already made the hat, but I didn't have an extra one to show you. So you know what? It's real world stuff. This is what happens. And just keeping it real. So you might see me in a different outfit, but that's okay. It doesn't discount the fact that I'm still showing you how to do it. And at the end of this video, you are going to know how to press on a DecoPress patch onto a hat as well as onto a jacket. So let's get started, jump into the computer, and I'll show you how easy it is to order first.
All right, first thing we're going to do is go to the Heat Transfer Warehouse website. And then we're going to type in DecoPress. And it will take us to the page with all of our options. We've got the leather, the, what's this one? Simulated woven patch. Wasn't sure. Wasn't sure what that one was called. Let's see, we've got the suede patch and we've got the custom twill woven patch. So I am actually choosing the custom twill woven patch today. I'm going to be doing two different ones. So you'll see there's lots of different size options here. The price actually, so it starts at $1.78 here. The bigger that you go with your patch, the more expensive the patch is going to be. So the 4 by 2.5 is going to be $3.12 each. We're going to do the 2.5 by 2.5 for one of our projects, which is $2.32 each, and then we're also going to do the 4 by 2.25, and that's $3.12. But if you're going for a much larger size, those are going to be up to $12 each. I'm actually going to choose the 2.5 by 2.5. And I'm choosing headwear to start. And then we will choose our file. And I'm going to choose my logo. So that is already uploaded. This is not a reorder. If you were doing a reorder, you could put the reorder number here. But it's not a reorder, so we don't need to do that. We have to acknowledge that we've read the terms and services, and acknowledge that our artwork is high quality enough in order to be printed. So I'm actually using a 300 DPI image, and the artwork is good to go. So I know that everything will be fine when printing. So the minimum quantity is 10. You can't go below that, but you could go higher than that. So I'm going to keep it at 10. And we will add to cart. And then I actually would like to order one more patch. So let's go, and we're going to do the 4 by 2.25. And I'm going to do apparel for this one. So you see you've got promotional, crafter, apparel, and headwear. The difference between each of those is just the way that they adhere to the substrate that you're working with. So they have like different adhesive requirements for each of those. So I'm going to be doing the apparel, and this one I'm also going to apparel, and then we're going to choose our file again, and we're going to do the Crafty challenge because I'm going to make a little chest logo there. Not a reorder. Got that all checked, and we're going to add that to the cart. So then we've got both of those added to our cart. We can go ahead and check out, and then we're ready to order it, and it will come to us in just a few days.
Okay, now we are ready to make our hat. I've got this hat, a little distressed looking hat. I think it's super cute. So we're gonna put my logo on there. This is what I was talking about on the package. So if you need to place a reorder, you can use the QR code that's here, and then that makes it really easy to place another order. Written on the package, which is really nice, is the time and temp that you need in order to make these patches or use these patches. So the press time is, or press temp is 225 to 265. So I set my press to 250 and it's 5 to 10 seconds. So I've got it set for 8 seconds. So hopefully that is going to be a good amount of time, and it's light to medium pressure. So I've got all of the patches in here. So I got some extra, and we are going to place our hat on here. I'm going to check the pressure real quick before I do it. That seems like it's a little bit too low. Let's just raise it up a little bit. Okay, that is very high pressure. So let's go down a little bit. Push this lever down to actually lock the hats in place. You see it's pretty loose if you don't have it locked in place. When you pull it down, then you've got a nice smooth area to work with. All right, so we've got our patch here. Let's go ahead and remove the backing from it. There's a little sticker backing. All right, we got that off. So we remove that. We're not gonna press that on it. And then we're going to go ahead and put our patch onto the hat. Okay, let's go ahead and stick this in place. And then we're going to activate the adhesive. We put the press on, light to medium pressure for 8 seconds. And then it is going to be pressed on, and we will reveal our design. All right, let's check it out. Okay, now that we've finished our hat, it looks so good. Let's move over to our heat press. Next up, we're going to be using the apparel. So like I said before, you could get it in different ways, the headwear, the apparel, the craft, and it just depends on what material you're going to be pressing it onto, which one you should purchase. So we are going to be using a Bella Canvas jacket hoodie. And once again, you've got the directions here. So we're going to be pressing at, it says 266 to 284. So I did 270, and it says 20 to 30 seconds. So I went ahead and went with 25. So let's put our jacket on. I'm doing a chest logo for this one. And we'll take out our design. So this one does not have the sticker backing on it like the headwear did. So there's nothing that you need to remove from this. So let's go ahead and place it on here. I'm gonna cover it with some Teflon. Oh, the hood is getting in the way. Let's make this all go up on the table so it doesn't slide out. All right, now let's put this on. Okay. Press is going to close, 25 seconds, and then it will open back up, and we will reveal our other design here for the apparel. Alrighty. Uh-oh. The Teflon sheet always falls inside my press. Dang it. I'll have to wait until it cools for that to come out. It's so annoying that it does that. But what's not annoying is how cute this jacket is. I love this. So it said that you should wait. Oh, that's the headwear. Where's my, oh my gosh. They all fell out. Oops. Wait 24 hours for the bond to be permanent. Okay. And it says use the cover sheet. So we did the Teflon. So wait 24 hours before you wash it. But there we have a little logo with my headwear and my other Crafty Challenge logo with my jacket. Super easy for those ordering and putting them on your apparel. So cute. I love this jacket. I wanted to put the hat on, but you know, hats don't really fit on my big old head, so it's not working so well. I need my hair to be straight in order to make it work. But when I do have straight hair, it is going to be super cute. I did the apparel DecoPress and I also did the headwear DecoPress. So they are applied in just a slightly different manner because one has backing, the other one doesn't. But they're both super easy to order from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Upload your design. You can get your custom gear. You don't have to do any work, you know, on the front end. You don't have to print anything out. You don't have to cut anything. You don't have to weed anything. So it just makes it really, really convenient to customize apparel without a lot of work. So I totally recommend them. Super easy to apply to your substrate and they look really cute. So get some of yours of your own. You can check the link in the description for the Heat Transfer Warehouse where you can get them. And if you liked this video today, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss anything crafty because I'm here every week. At least I try to be here every week talking about something crafty or DIY content to share with you. So I will be here again next week. And until then, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.